Greetings, it's your friend Kenny O, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to create a cool rain effect using Prisma pencils. So you guys ready? Let's get started. Now what I first did is just got some charcoal really quick and just made some gray on my paper, and that's going to help us kind of create a cool rain effect. And then from there I'm going to grab my Prisma and just send in some diagonal swipes, kind of go in there. And I want to really kind of vary the line, the length. I don't want to get there too short or kind of too long, actually. A little shorter actually look better, but depends on might be some heavy rain. And just kind of go in there and kind of really apply some pressure. And if you can, get a nice white Prisma. And just kind of go in there and just do the same, follow that same diagonal line. That you're going. And go in there, yep. And just kind of do this, and we're going to just layer it and layer it where it looks like rain coming down. Grab our, and then just kind of softly pat it. Kind of pat it right there. Add just some more of that white. And that's really going to add that rain effect to our drawings. So that's a cool little technique that I like to use to make a rain effect when I'm drawing. This has been Kenny O, Lunchbag Dad, and thanks for watching, guys.